Hello there. If you click on this video, there is a big chance that your drawing needs help. Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to split this topic into 3 videos on how to draw your favorite characters. So enough talking, let's begin with the first part, faces. Now, we all know that starting to draw a face, it always starts with a big, humble circle. But to draw them perfectly, move the stylus in a circular motion and then put the pen down when you have confidence. This works for traditional art as well. Now back to the circle, I first mark the center point and then draw a cross. The cross is really important because it determines the direction of where the face is facing. And the 2 lines beside the face is to determine the face shape. After this, draw the neck and you're good to go. Now moving on to details. For the details, I draw 2 lines for top and bottom and then draw 2 squares with the same length. Now, the nose will end up where the ears end and the mouth will end up where the cheeks bend. Now moving on to side view. I started off by drawing a circle in the center and draw a cross to determine where the ears are, and then draw the chin. I also like to use this triangular shape to determine the nose. For the eyes, I recommend just a circle. To draw the mouth and nose, I use this zigzag way, which tend to look really good. Now moving on to 3/4 view. Again, draw the circle and draw a cross to determine the direction of the face. Then draw 2 lines for one at the top and one at the bottom, just like the front view. For the squares, both squares are the same, but one square will be cut in half for the eyes. For the nose, it will be just right below the bottom of the eye and the mouth will just be at where the cheek bends. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. The notes will be in the description.